Hey, and welcome to another edition of Now Time with Glenn. Getting ready to go into work today and wanting to finish up this video on how to build your self-esteem. But as I studied, I'm going to add a couple more things. So this will be one of two more videos yet to come. But to do a quick recap on what we were talking about, first thing on how to build your self-esteem is you got to be careful of your thoughts. The second thing is you have to be careful of the story that you're telling yourself. What story are you continuing to replay in your mind? Change your story so you have a different outcome, a different future. The third thing was don't compare yourself with others. The fourth thing was focus on your strengths. Fifth thing was exercise. And today is the sixth thing. And I've covered this on several videos of mine. But it's very important in building your self-esteem. You have to learn to forgive. You have to forgive others, and you need to learn how to forgive yourself. Do you understand that unforgiveness is poison? Unforgiveness is like a poison. Like it's like you taking a big can of bleach and just drinking it. How long do you think your body can hold that bleach before organs begin to shut down and die? And a lot of times people have low self-esteem because of the poison that they're keeping on the inside of them. When you don't forgive, it's like you taking poison, expecting the other person to get sick. I'm going to say that again. When you have unforgiveness, when you don't forgive and you refuse to release that person of the pain that they've caused you, it is like you taking poison on yourself, in yourself, you ingesting poison, expecting the other person to get sick. That just doesn't work. So to build your self-esteem, forgive other people. Forgive people for their wrong that they've done to you, and forgive yourself. Forgive yourself for not being where you're supposed to be. Forgive yourself for not accomplishing the things that you want to accomplish. Forgive yourself for allowing yourself to get where you are today. Forgive yourself. Today is a new day. It's 2019, January. It's time to start fresh. It is now time to start anew. Forgive other people and forgive yourself so that you can build your self-esteem and have your best life possible. Have a wonderful day. I will see you all tomorrow. Like this video, share it with somebody, and I appreciate your support. Have a wonderful day. Bye.